Hello everybody, welcome back to the guidance of the Modicon M221. In this video, we are going to focus on the upload project that we have in the EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic that allowed us to transfer the program inside the controller, the PLC, into our laptop. So let's go to the presentation. What we're going to do in this video is to upload the application that we have already developed in the previous videos. In order to upload the program from the PLC into our controller, into our PC, it's very simple. We just need to go to the commissioning, then select the way that we want to communicate with the PLC, log in, and then we have the possibility to make the controller to PC. When we first log in, if we open an empty application, we can see that the application in our PC and on the controller are different because we are open a new empty application. That's why it's empty. And then we have the possibility to create an upload from the controller to our PC. If on the PLC they have application protection, for example, for reading or writing, the software will ask us to introduce the read password in order to read the program. Otherwise, we shouldn't be able to connect. Not to connect, to upload from the controller to the PLC. And if we have the application protection, this is the same for read and write, but if we have the project protection also, okay, there is an additional step that we need to do in order to see the program. Otherwise, we shouldn't be able to do anything on the program. So what I'm going to do now is to open an empty application. So let me just do it. Machine Expert Basic. I'm going to open an empty application and I'm going to connect into the controller that I have here next to me via USB. So we can upload from the controller the actual application that we had uploaded in the previous. So just to show you, see here, good. So I'm connecting. I'm using this application that we have done in the past. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to log out. I'm going to move first this project. Here, this is an empty application. You can see there is no protection, errors everywhere. And I'm going to upload from the controller that I have connected into my PC. So select how we are going to connect. I'm going to use USB in this case. Login. This action can be done also in internet. We just need to enter, but in this case we're going to use USB. So we have the option to log in as I have done, and now you can see here that the PC and controller application are different. So what we need to do is to upload. Once we have done this, you can see here that on the programming I have retrieved the application with all the data that I have in the past, which is good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out from the PLC, and I have this application, this new application. So I'm going to save it, save project as, M221 guidance, project not protected. Okay, save. What I'm going to do now is to create an application protection, so which is different from project protection. So application protection, I'm going to specify to read. I'm going to use administrator. Okay, I'm going to apply. Now what I'm going to do is to download, login, PC controller, download. They are different because I have added the new stuff over there, and run. Good. Now the application, this one. Okay, so log out. I'm going to close this. No. I'm going to open a new application, Machine Expert Basic. What I'm going to show you is what should be the behavior when we have a read application on the PLC. It's easy, it will be easy just to show you how to upload, but in the real life, probably there are some machines that have the password protection and the application protection, and I want to show you the behavior. So, okay, I have this one is an empty application. I'm going to select the M221 USB, login. Okay, and then as you can see here, there is no options to upload because there is a read password protection for the controller. We have selected this application protection. So now, if I enter anything, password incorrect, enter new password. Now administrator, hopefully I put it right. Perfect. Then I can make the upload. Okay, is equal, and I have the program and everything. I can read it. Now let's disconnect and activate the write protection. So I'm going to use administrator, administrator, administrator. Apply. Okay. Login. It will ask me to download. It's different because I have entered um, I always forget the name, the application protection, okay, which is the application, the binary code that is running on the controller, okay. So it's going to be different than the project protection. So application protection now is active the reading and the writing, okay. So what I'm going to do now is to download PC to controller. I'm going to download it, okay. It asks me to read, but I don't care. I don't want to read. I just want to download. So lower right, perfect. There we go. And there we go. So now I have downloaded, okay, but I cannot write anything, okay, because it's write protected. So in order to enable the write or make any modification, see, as you can see, I can't add anything. I just need to add the password. So I'm going to try with a different wrong password. And if I type administrator, there we go. I should be able to make some modifications in the software. Okay. So in this case, I show you how is the behavior using the application protection for read and write into the controller. Okay, I just use for both of them administrator. It's not nothing by default. I just created. I use administrator with the first letter capital. So now what I'm going to do is to log out of the controller. Okay, I'm going to close project. Let me just close this one. No, and I'm going to read the application just to show you how is the behavior if the PLC has the read and write application protection. So let's open a new machine basic. Okay, now well, the idea is to show you that I can log in into the controller, but in order to read and write, I need to enter my credentials, and I'm going to show you the fields that you need to fill in order to connect. So let's go again. Just move this window to here. Empty application, no programming, nothing at all. In the M221 USB, login. You can see read application, read password. Okay, you should be administrator in my case. Okay, now I'm going to upload the program. Okay, and now if I need to make any modifications, okay, I need to enter the new password. Administrator, let me see. If I want to activate this, I can't because I'm connected. Administrator. Okay, good. Then I should be able to make any changes on the programming. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to log out from the PLC. Here in the project protection, I'm going to activate it. So in my case, I'm going to use the same administrator. Administrator, I think I got it right. Perfect. Apply. Now I'm going to connect again to the M221. Now, in this case, I don't want to read, I just want to download a new application. So for that, I need to enter the right password protection that I have on the application, which is this one, application protection. So now here, administrator, and now PC to controller to download. I have downloaded the application, okay, which is good. You can see this is protected. So now what I'm going to do now is to log out. We're going to close this one. Now I'm going to open the new application. So I have a new open project, an empty project. So what I'm going to show you now is that I'm going to connect. I'm going to select the M221. What I'm going to do now is to activate the read protection. The password, I'm going to introduce the read password, which is for this application protection. Administrator in my case. And then I'm going to upload into the computer. As you can see here, the programming doesn't allow me to do anything because we have the right protection. So I'm going to deactivate it right now. Administrator. Okay. So now we have access to here. Now, in the you can see here, I have the project protection activated and I have the application. I have both of them. So I'm using this case, I'm using the latest version, which is the version 1.2, if I'm not wrong, 1.2 of Machine Expert Basic. And this presentation I made with the previous version, and I have this icon over here. It looks like that in the latest version, we don't have that icon over here, but it's still protected. So if we disconnect from the controller, okay, and if I try to save this, it doesn't allow me. I must enter the credentials over here, okay, and if I try to log out, it tells me this, save. It's not possible because the project is protected, okay, cancel, and the save as project. Also, I don't receive any messages, nothing at all, so I need to introduce the password, administrator, administrator, apply. There we go. And then you should be able to save it. Okay, full. Okay, and then you shall have the complete access to the controller. So let me see if there is something missing. No, that's it. So now is your turn to download the full application that we have done so far for the conveyor into the controller. Then open a new empty project, log into the controller, and then make the upload so you can see the behavior. And if you want, you can make some further analysis with the security for the protection password and from the project security. So that's it for this video. So thank you very much for watching me, and see you on the next one.